We are at Millennium Park, I think is what it's called. Take a look at this cool art. My dad wants to take a picture of us. They must be cold. The sunset is really beautiful, but I'm not able to capture it with the camera. Too bad. Now we're heading up towards the infamous silver bean thing sculpture. There are a lot of tourists in this area. Here we are. My husband has been here before, and he said when he came, there were no tourists here, which is hard to believe because look at how many tourists there are. He must have came really early in the morning. We're going to walk up a little closer to the sculpture. So cool. Does anyone know what this venue is called? I did not see a sign, but the architecture is fascinating. It's fully made of steel. Nice layout of the seats. And they maintain the field really well. Looks like there is an orchestra or band playing inside. Here is another view of the bean structure. Comment below and let me know, when was the last time you went to a concert? And which artist did you see? We found a walkway, and I'm not sure where this is leading us to. Let's see if this sign will tell us. I think this is just highlighting an artist. So that's not it. Ah, we must be at Lurie Garden. Oh, this whole thing is a garden. I guess we will follow my dad's lead. It smells very clean here. It doesn't smell polluted at all. I wish I had a garden like this at my house. Of all the things we could be looking at in this beautiful garden, my dad wants to watch the traffic and the cops. I am going to head back to the garden. This is a bit more interesting for me. What do you think? If you were to choose where to live, would you prefer living in the mountain, in the country, by the beach, in the desert? I would choose to be either in the country or in the mountain, where it's quiet and secluded, like this. I could be here all day. We are on a bridge, and the security guard told us that there is another park up this way. We're heading down this way to the park. Chicago has really stunning architecture. There is a rock climbing wall. I used to love rock climbing when I was younger. I loved climbing on real rocks by the creek. And I also used to belong to a rock climbing gym that had structures like this. I am so jealous that they are skating down there. I want to be doing that. So I bet in the winter they turn this into an ice rink. Or maybe not, because this is a little too steep to skate uphill on ice skates. This girl is on roller skates. That guy is on roller blades. Which do you prefer? My dad is loving all the lights, the nightlife in Chicago. We are walking to dinner, and my friend recommended that we eat at this ramen place. In Korean, we don't call it ramen, it's ramyeon. My mom said that ramen or ramyeon is my dad's favorite. He also just corrected me and said, it's not ramen, it's ramyeon. We had a nice walk or a nice stroll through the park, and now we sat down for dinner. We're going to order ramen. The restaurant is called Ramen-San, and I am going to order the beef pho buns, and we all would like to eat on the healthier side. So we're going to order the Tantan-san vegetarian ramen. Hi.
Have you done this before?
No. My parents were craving kimchi, of course.
It was.
I'm always craving kimchi.
And I was like, it was never like really that much of a.
맛있어?
I was like, are you just like?
Okay, my dad approved of the kimchi, so that's a big deal.
Which I don't think was her intention.
We also ordered beef pho buns.
이건 뭐야? 껍데기 모양이야. 만두.
They've never seen this before.
So sweet, but I was just like,
Kimchi 맛있어? My mom approved as well. We got the ramen. Let's see how my dad likes it. He can be a little particular. 어때? 맛있어? 맛있어? He said it's alright. It has scallions, tofu.
and there we are.
Thank you.
Cheers. Please enjoy, everybody.
Thank you. Bok choy, mushrooms, and of course the ramen noodles.